Since it's really hot out today, I'm just gonna make a bike check because I haven't done one in a long time since I first got this bike. A lot has changed on it, just about every part on it, besides for the hoops. I have a premium stem, so you can see that. Kink Links bars with ODI long necks, and some stolen Vortex bar ends. Primo headset, and Fit Shiv 2 forks, Profile Mini hub with Fit FAF tires 2.3. It's laced to Alienation Deviant, got blue nipples, Sabrosa bitchin' cranks, with Sabrosa bitchin' bottom bracket, Collination 25 tooth sprocket, Shadow half link chain, premium slim PC pedals, 9 tooth Profile Mini hub in the back with Alienation black sheep, purple nipples, Fit FAF tire 2.3, Vecneal valve caps, kink seat, pivotal seat. I think that's it. So yep, it's my bike check. If you have any questions,